Hello, I'm going to go through with you how to draw a histogram. So to start off with, we've got a frequency table here with our prices in this column and our frequency in this column, and it gives some information about the books sold at a second-hand bookshop on Saturday. So first of all, we need to draw a histogram because our data is continuous and the class widths for each of these are not the same. Okay, so we can't plot it like a normal bar chart. We need to find the frequency density in order to help us to plot it. So in this first one, we've got 8 people and they're in this first group, which is 0 to 5. So we assume those 8 are spread out evenly over the group, over the 5. So to work out our frequency density, we would do 8 divided by 5, which was giving me 1.6. For the next one, we've got 20 people and they're going to be spread out over this group, and this group has 5 in it as well. So we do 20 divided by 5, which is 4. For this group here, we've got 24. Now this group is spread out over 10. So we would do 24 divided by 10, which equals 2.4. And then in the final group, we've got 96, and that's spread out over £20. So 96 divided by 20, which gives us 4.8. Now these are the values that we're going to use to plot our histogram. Okay, so the first group is from 0 to 5, and that frequency density is 1.6. So we're going to go up to here, and we're going to plot a rectangle to represent that group. So 0 to 5 goes up to 0.6, and that's our first bar in our histogram. The second bar goes up to 4, and it's between 5 and 10. So we've got 5 to 10, but this time we're going to draw our bar going up to 4. Okay, so you don't leave any gaps between the bars, you just join them up one after the other and at the same width as what it gives you in the question. So here it's from 10 to 20. It's going to go to here this time, and our frequency density is 2.4. So we're going to go up to 2.4. Okay, you notice now that this bar is wider. That's because our class is wider in the table, so the bar is going to be wider, but we concentrate on the frequency density so we know how much that bar represents. For the last one, it's 20 to 40, so it's quite a wide bar. It's going to go up to 4.8. So it goes up quite high to 4.8. Oops. Okay. So this would be our completed histogram. It has our different class widths for each of the bars, and it goes up to the frequency density. Now, the area is what represents the frequency. So in a difference to a normal bar chart, the normal bar chart is the height that represents the frequency. In a histogram, it's the area that represents the frequency. Okay, so in this bar here, for example, we've got a width of 5 and a height of 4. So 5 times 4 would equal 20, which is the same, obviously, as in the table. Okay, thank you very much.